LIC's Jeevan Lakshya to financially secure the future of your child. Jeevan Lakshya is the best insurance plan to guarantee that your dreams for your child's future will never get shattered. This plan has been specifically and uniquely designed for this purpose. It provides you with the flexibility to choose any term from 16 to 25 years to perfectly align the cash flow with your goals for your child. Let's understand the benefits of this plan with an example of a young parent, Sanjeev, who has a lovely daughter aged 3 years. Sanjeev wants best education for his daughter and wants to ensure that his dream for her top education is not compromised even if he is not there with the family tomorrow. So he decides to go for a Jeevan Lakshya policy with a sum assured of Rs 20 lakhs for a term of 18 years so that it will mature when his daughter is 21 years of age. This is how Sanjeev will achieve his goal for his daughter's education. Sanjeev pays a premium of Rs 1,31,062 in the first year and Rs 1,28,240 from 2nd to 15th year. After 18 years, he receives a tax-free maturity amount of Rs 35,82,000, which helps him to fund his daughter's education expenses. Sanjeev also has an option to take the maturity in 5, 10 or 15 yearly interest-bearing installments instead of a single lump sum. God forbid, if Sanjeev dies during the policy period, say for example in the year 5, then all the future premiums will be waived and the nominee will get guaranteed Rs 2 lakhs every year till year 17. This will take care of daughter's quality upbringing. On maturity, the nominee will also get guaranteed Rs 22 lakh and bonus and final additional bonus up to Rs 15 lakh 82,000. Thus, the policy will ensure that Sanjeev's dream about his daughter's education is fulfilled. So don't delay, safeguard your child's future today. Please get in touch with me to know more about this plan or to buy the policy. I am just a phone call away.